Introducing the Dumbbell Cutting Press, a precision-engineered sample preparation instrument designed to produce accurate dumbbell-shaped test specimens for tensile and elongation testing of rubber, plastics, elastomers, films, leather, and other flexible materials. In material testing, the accuracy of results begins with the quality of the specimen. The dumbbell cutting press ensures uniform, defect-free, and dimensionally accurate samples, eliminating variations that can affect test performance and reliability. Complies with international standards. Contact Texcare Instruments Limited today to learn more about the dumbbell cutting press and discover the perfect solution for your material testing requirements.